In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a meeting in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start a meeting quickly, create a shareable meeting link, and schedule a meeting in advance, all using the Microsoft Teams web experience. Let's start from the main Teams page in your browser. Once you're signed in and on the home screen, look towards the top or side of the interface for the option labeled Meet. This is the central place where you'll begin whenever you want to host a meeting. Go ahead and click on Meet. This opens up your meeting options, and from here you can decide whether you want to start something right away or set it up for later. After clicking Meet, you'll see an option that says Create a Meeting Link. Choose this if you want a flexible, shareable link without having to put the meeting on a calendar first. When you click Create a Meeting Link, your Teams will generate a unique URL for you. You can copy this link and send it to participants using email, chat, or any messaging app your team uses. This is especially handy if you need a quick ad hoc meeting or if different people might join at different times. Once your link is created, make sure you give your meeting a clear title before you share it, so everyone knows what it's for. You can then paste the link into an invitation message, add the time and any relevant details, and your participants can simply click it when it's time to join. Now, if you already know the exact date and time of your meeting and want it on everyone's calendar, there's another option available from the same Meet area. Instead of creating a simple link, click on Schedule a Meeting. This opens a scheduling window where you can enter the meeting title, choose the date, start and end times, and in many cases, select the attendees you want to invite. Here, you can also add a description, agenda, or any preparation notes in the meeting details box. When everything looks good, confirm or save the meeting. Teams will send calendar invitations to your participants with the join link automatically included. This is best for recurring team meetings, client calls, or anything that needs to be organized in advance. So to recap the flow, click on Meet, then either create a meeting link for something